In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another ad group in Google Ads. Before we start, here's a quick refresher. An ad group is a container inside a campaign that holds your ads and the keywords or audiences they target. Adding another ad group helps you organize themes, tailor messaging, and control bids more precisely, all while staying within the same campaign goal and budget. Begin by going to your Google Ads account in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in with the account that manages the campaign you want to work on. Once you're in the dashboard, take a second to confirm you're viewing the correct account and the correct billing profile, especially if you manage multiple accounts or clients. This ensures that any changes you make are in the right place. From the main navigation, click Campaigns. This shows you a list of all your active and paused campaigns. If you can't see the left-hand menu, look for the icon to expand the navigation. In the Campaigns view, locate the specific campaign where you want to add another ad group. Click the campaign to open it. If the interface feels a bit different, that's okay. Google occasionally updates layouts, but the campaign section is always the starting point. With the campaign open, you'll see its sections and performance overview. Here, look for the Ad Groups option. Click it to move into the Ad Groups area for this campaign. This is where all existing ad groups in the selected campaign are listed, along with performance metrics like clicks, impressions, and conversions. It's the central place for organizing how your ads and keywords are grouped under this campaign. Now that you're in ad groups for the chosen campaign, you're in the right spot to set up an additional group that aligns with your strategy. Before you proceed, it helps to think through a few things. Decide on a clear theme for the new ad group, such as a product category or a specific service. Keep naming consistent and descriptive so you can quickly identify it later. Make sure your planned keywords or audience segments match the ad copy you intend to use, and consider how bids and budgets for this ad group will support your overall campaign goal. If you use location or device adjustments, be consistent with how you handle them across ad groups. That's all there is to navigating to the correct place. You've reached the Ad Groups section within your selected campaign, and you're ready to organize your next ad group in a structured, effective way.